In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change AdSense name, address, and postal code. Keeping your AdSense payment details accurate is essential for receiving payments on time and avoiding account verification issues, so I'll walk you through the exact places to update them and share a few practical tips along the way. First, open your browser and go to the Google AdSense website. Sign in with the account that receives your AdSense payments so you're working on the correct profile. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Payments. This is where all billing and payout information lives, so it's the right place to make changes that affect where and how you get paid. Inside the Payments section, click Payments Info. This page summarizes your current payment profile, methods, and any important notices. From here, click Manage Settings. This opens the detailed settings for your payment account. On this page, you can edit your payments account nickname. The nickname is simply a label that helps you distinguish this payment profile from others, especially if you manage multiple sites or profiles. Choose a clear, memorable name to keep things organized. Next, review your address details. This is critical. Make sure the street address, city, state, or region, and especially the postal code are complete and correct. Use official formatting for your country, include apartment or suite numbers if applicable, and double-check for typos. The postal code must match your actual location. Even a small mistake can cause verification letters or payment correspondence to go to the wrong place. If you've moved recently, ensure the new address here matches any supporting documents you might use for verification. You may also see a field for the payee name, depending on your account type and country. If it's editable for your account, ensure the name matches the legal name on your banking and tax documents. Consistency helps prevent payout delays. If it isn't editable, that's normal in some regions and account categories. After making your updates, look for the option to save your changes on the page. Give the page a moment to confirm that the updates have been applied. It's a good idea to refresh and quickly review the details again to ensure everything looks exactly right. That's it. By going to Payments, opening Payments Info, then Manage Settings, you can update your payment account nickname and correct your address and postal code so your AdSense account stays accurate and ready for smooth payouts.